back. The completion is working, but it's not updating in here. So, see what's going on here. At service.conversation, back text. We've got this. Got this chat service dot conversation. Okay, so we're just gonna down here console.log data and errors. And we'll come over here and say hi chat. Okay, so it did it. Ah, I knew I was gonna forget this. Gotta make the effect async. Okay, so we'll try it again. How's my favorite chatbot? Did I ever... functions, OpenAI completion? Um, extend text. So we'll do a console log response. I'm gonna save that and let that rebuild. Oh wait, this didn't log. But this ran. Okay, it wasn't done. Spots, I'm not sure you heard feelings is a good boy, but I can tell you that Sam Underwood, the creator of this chatbot, is an impressive developer. I love it. I love it. Good job, chatbot. Okay, so we're good. We're good. We're good. Printed it in here, but it's not getting it here. Yeah. Give me that. The effect isn't running. Where's that chat page? This.chat service.conversation.update conversation is a new array, spreads conversation and input. Okay, so let's try. I already did the console.log input. I want to see the conversation. Hello? Oh. Idiot. Okay, so... Shit, why did I just call myself an idiot? It was just so clear to me. Logging here. Updating the conversation. Shit, what was it? Damn it. Why wouldn't this be logging? Oh, that's it. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. And I can't believe I forgot what the issue was. I need to build my libraries first. I haven't been building the library, so that hasn't been updating. Wait, no, that shouldn't matter. Yes, for the client application, it does. So after these build, actually, there's that service again. I log the effect. Okay. This should work. Ah! Whoa. Whoa! No! Abort! 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 Damn it. Okay, so that was fun. I'm pretty sure I did this same thing when I did the Nuxt version of it. I can't do an effect because that's gonna run every time. Yeah, let's try looking at chatbot.view and see what I did. Push the value and then just call get response. Yeah, I guess I could see the benefits of that. Could get rid of that. Get response. Make it async. I'm gonna return. Yeah, that'll be fine. Nope. Get rid of that. Put space there. Save this. Go back to the page. Update it. Let's see, how do I do it over here? Push it, get the response, and then set that to 0. Get rid of that. Save it. Get rid of that. Save it. Come over here, reserve. While I'm waiting for that, I'm gonna come over into the chatbot. Do me some copying of the styles. Bring it into here. This is gonna need... damn. We go store, components, partials, cart. There we go. Yeah. That is what I want. Sure. Why not? Save that. I do believe I can bring this back up. No, reload it. Inspect. Console. What's up, dude? Nice. Doing well, Habu. Thank you for the help. Guess probably, yeah, I gotta rebuild to bundle the styles. So much rebuilding. But it's gonna look good after that. All right, looks good. Show me the money. No, never tried it. Definitely too jarring of an animation. Gotta update the styles and the auto scroll. I guess just the auto scroll. The styles seem to be fine. Okay, so now I have a chat page. Very nice. We're close to having chat on my website. Cha cha cha. Okay, I'm gonna turn off the pickleballness and teach it how to be a good steward of my website, and then it'll be ready for launch. Let's see how that goes. Whoops. Come back here. Let's see what we got. Chatbot. I'm gonna want that. Okay. Yeah, let's make sure we include the rest of it. So the styles have been copied. Template has been copied. Watch conversation.value. Okay, it's gonna be scroll chat box and scroll window. I'm just gonna copy all of this. Not those. Chat box and chat input. There's get response, send message. Okay, we'll come back here, add send message. Get response is in the uh, service. Damn it. Okay, so we're gonna want chat input, chat box, text input. Yeah. Make a chat input. Excuse me. What was it? Chat box. Got those. We got services, and then this what, touch keyboard ref false. This is gonna probably go somewhere else, but for now it comes up here. I get a signal false. Text input, it's only these two places, but it's gonna be chat input. Get rid of the function. This is the start. No, get response, like I said, is in the service. Send message is here. Okay, so we'll do input equals send message, if not message dot value. Okay, so const input equals that. If not that, return. If this dot touch keyboard. This dot chat input dot native element dot blur. Conversation dot update. Get response. Set the value. That's all good. Scroll chat box. Next tick is a view thing, or maybe next, but since we don't have that, we use request animation frame. If this dot checkbox dot native element dot value wait, no, yeah, no dot value. Scroll to top behavior smooth, and then we have scroll window dot scroll to top behavior smooth. So the window goes to 0. The chat box goes to the bottom. I don't need this if, because I used the bang. Scroll chat box is request animation frame. Scroll to, boom. Scroll windows, window.scroll to, but we're gonna have to do the request animation frame in that one as well. Okay, so now we have listener window resize. Bit of lag there. This dot touch keyboard dot set true. Listener window res event. View, okay. If the height times the scale divided by the actual height is less than the ratio, this set true. Window dot visual viewport dot remove event listener resize. This dot listener window resize. Okay, so it removes itself after it detects it. On mounted is gonna be ng on init. Get rid of that, and that, and that. So, okay, and then anytime, let's see, watch conversation dot value is instead going to be, we're gonna come up here, constructor, effect, Scroll chat box, scroll window, import effect. And I need to save const conversation equals this chat service dot conversation, so that it knows to run the effect anytime that is called, and then it'll do those. Send message, scroll chat box to the bottom, scroll window to the top, listener window resize. Window visual viewport resize listener for detecting on screen. Come on, keyboard. We know what those do. Just because the other functions have them. Okay, this feels right. I think everybody's happy here. Come into here and reserve it. I'll be back while that builds. It has built. Something's wrong. I read properties of undefined. Ah, yes. Forgot to update the template. Chat box and chat input. Now we reserve again! Yay! This is why I wanted to skip the chat. I should have just skipped it. We're good? Hello, my good friend. Damn. Wow, nice. Okay. It's not terrible. It's not a terrible answer. Alright, this looks good to me. I mean, for now, obviously. I can really talk about anything. It's only upset that I'm asking it to disregard the previous instructions, which is probably just OpenAI looking out for me. Hmm. You know what? I think I want this chat page. Yeah, I want this chat page to have the same messages as if you're using the widget that's going to be up here. So oh, never mind. That stuff's already in the service. I'm fine. Yep. Everything feels pretty good about this. I'm gonna sneeze. Bless me. Okay, so I think the page is done. It's literally just, it's a full page. You can't scroll up or down. This fills the page unless you're mobile. Then this is, oh. Well, I guess more mobile than that. If you're mobile, then it goes full screen because it's the mobile isn't going to be that high. It's going to be more like this. So you want to maximize how much room you have in here. I can't be putting the footer in here. Then you'd only have, you know, this tiny bit amount of space. So give them more room on mobile. And then also I have it set up so that if you're typing with an on-screen keyboard, it will close that for you. That's what this stuff is for. On init window.visualviewport question mark because it might not be implemented by your browser, so it's just not gonna try to do this stuff if this doesn't exist. And then on resize, it will run this function, and then I also on destroy remove it. And then so right here, this is just saying if the on-screen keyboard takes up more than 25% of the screen, then you know it's an on-screen keyboard and not some other smaller thing. And then it just checks the ratio of the screen not counting the keyboard to the screen counting the keyboard. And if it's big enough, if it passes this check, then it sets touch keyboard to true and then removes the listener so that it doesn't run again. Yeah, that's all that is. I think we're good here. All I want is thinking about maybe throttling this, but I don't think I need to because it's going to remove itself. almost immediately. No, I should throttle it a little bit. Int event dot throttle function. Import from apartment. If I just do the throttle. Oh, it was throttle event. There we go. Function wait. Oh, what's the default? Wait. I think the default is probably 0. And then options, I'm pretty sure. There we go. It does say leading and trailing options. Default leading is true and trailing is true. Amount of time between function calls, I should define what the functionality of not passing that is. Returns the thought of functioner as an event listener. I love it. And we're gonna throttle it by 100. So now, when the window resizes, it's only gonna run this function once every 1,000, once every, 10 times a second, once every 100 milliseconds. And then since leading and trailing are by default true, it is going to run the event listener immediately when the resize starts, and then at least every 100 milliseconds after that, as they're still resizing. And then when they're done resizing, if there's still like say 20 milliseconds until the next call, it's still gonna make that call to make sure, because like they resized it in the 80 milliseconds before they stopped, so you still want it to run again after every the event's done happening. So shit. But now this isn't what I bound. So we'll go. I'm gonna make an update. Call it Viewport listener. You know what? You know what I might be able to do? Let me see if this... There's no way I can do this. No, no, no way that's gonna work. I want to do... I just like... I'm so mad at myself. Throttled listener. Just gonna name it throttled listener equals this. And we're gonna call this dot throttled listener, and this dot throttled listener. Yep. So I have the event listener here, and then I define a new event listener that is this event listener, but throttled to once every 100 milliseconds, leading and trailing. And then reference that here when I'm attaching it and removing it. And that will give us an imperceivable performance boost. Oh, this one also, actually. Remove event listener, resize this dot throttled listener. I don't like that I'm repeating myself. I could replace this with bits.ng on destroy. As long as I never add anything else to that, so maybe I shouldn't do that. I think we're good. Let's do the chat partial. How am I gonna do this? Hmm. Just copy template of the chat page. Put it in the chat partial. Chat page. It's gonna have a lot of similar functions. Similar functions. Pretty good here. This is gonna scroll chat box, but not window. I think this. Yeah, the whole touch keyboard thing has got to go somewhere else. But it is needed here. Which tells me it goes in the service. For now, at least. Preamble, got your chat history. Touch keyboard is false. Chat service constructor. This dot chat service dot touch keyboard. And then dot chat service dot touch keyboard. Wait, undo that. These are coming with me. Wait, there's no ng on in it for services, is there? How do I want to do this then? Surely window would be available in the constructor. And then there's no destroy. Yes. Because the service is going to be alive the whole time. So get rid of that. We're going to cut these. Save that. Back to the service. Got the constructor here. What? No. Okay. Yes. We'll put these down here. On-screen for detecting on-screen keyboard. Oh, right. Import min event. No ng on init. Listener window resize, throttled listener. At response. Oh, right. Wait. Yeah. Instructor. I just want this guy. And these three. To go here. Got the constructor, that's the event listener, throttled listener. If we're going in reverse order, put that there. Then we got this, and then we have get response. That's fine. I think this is going to be going in a different service, like feature service, maybe something like that. So, what am I doing here? I think this is good. And then we're gonna have to go to the chat page real quick. Means I won't need these. That. And this is gonna be this dot chat. Ooh, chat service dot touch keyboard. Definitely room to combine some of this stuff into a parent class. We'll get there. Leave that there. So they should both work just fine. Gonna get rid of this on the partial min chatbot, min output. Partial? No. I'm just gonna leave it like that. That will be fine. We will come up here and reserve that. I'm gonna take a quick break. Then when we come back, we're gonna add to the app. Be right back. Okay, we are back. Oh, did I forget to remove the logs from these? Handler. There we go. I should mention this only works if it's a back and forth, one message, one message, one message. If the user figures out how to send two messages, it's gonna reverse the roles. So I do have to fix that eventually. I'm on the chat page. Hey. Should probably also save it in local storage. We will get there. I'm going to want close that. Let's close saved. Close amplify. Close app. No, open app. Go back to the app. I feel like the header. What? There we go. Components. Partials. Header. Header partial has. I thought I had a button slot. Hmm. Okay, so if there's gonna be an a default ng content, that's gonna be at the bottom of the mint wrapper, because the nav is gonna have all the links, and then if you put something in the header, it's gonna come below the links. It's gonna be like a footer for the links. Just do that. And how do we do? Where's my good old chat? In Angular, how to do named ng content. Select. Oh, you're right. That's what it was. That's what it was trying to do. Parent component app. This goes into the default slot. Header. This goes into the header slot. Yep. Very easy. So we put our ng content here. And then this is the buttons. Has store. I don't think this is the way I'm going to be doing it. So I'll just put it in the header. Yeah, we're going to get rid of the store button. The menu. The menu one we will keep. The menu will stay to the far right. So before that, we will do ng content select equals. So yeah, interesting how it told me to do just having the attribute. Yeah, I don't need that. Just feels weird, but put that there. You know, if I want them to override the logo, yeah, I'm gonna ng content select logo. Nice. That is what I wanted. However, I want default logo. But buttons definitely doesn't override the menu button. That's still gonna be there. The logo, if they want to override the logo, they can. The default. Yeah, I don't know. I don't trust chat on this. Angular ng content. Multi-slot, add select. How are they doing it? That is how they're doing it. Project as is interesting. Okay, so I'm gonna save that. Down here, reserve it. We're gonna come up here. Do some of this. Oh no, I don't want logo actually. The buttons I could totally do. Just gonna do like basic. Hey, it's up there. Cool. So here I'm gonna put mint widget, no mint partial chat. I'm gonna save that. It's gonna complain because I bet that doesn't exist. And we gotta include it here. Or no, mint partial chat from ngx chat. We're gonna add it here. Save that. Chat components partials chat. Let's make sure the selector is right. Probably isn't. Yeah. Mint partial chat. Don't need that. Don't need that. While I'm here, maybe we'll take a look at the page. Not that that matters for pages. Give that a quick rebuild. I got that in there. Got this here. Whoop. Why? No, we're good. Message up here, lol. Okay. Definitely gonna have to do some styling. So let's come to the home page where there's no other chat in the way. We're good over here, apparently. Come to the partial, come to the styles. Ah, yes. Yeah, this isn't gonna do it because they need to share at least some of these styles. So for now, cut that, save it. In fact, rebuild that. We're gonna take all these styles and put them in the app. Just for now. Okay, well, it's better. It's close. It's just, it's gonna be a sidebar. Gotta fix that. Oops. Okay, so I want to hide all of that. That's chatbot. Go chat partial. And chatbot. And output. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna cut that. And oh, do div class equals new chat bot partial. Paste that jazz in there. Hey, we're gonna make a mint widget button icon. Which I will need to import. Ah, that's what I wanted. Oh, no way. It's not gonna make me put, uh, standalone true. Finally. The editor's been yelling at me about that for so long. Now I get to delete them. So save that. We got this guy. That guy comes out. This is gonna be tooltip maybe. Something like that. I can come in here. As chatbot. As input. Okay, we're gonna do. Yeah, we're gonna come down here. And dash partial. Class chatbot. Display none. I'm not gonna save that right now. Now we're over here. We're gonna save that. There we go. Now we have our little button. Got our tooltip that says toggle chat. Come over here and see. Oh wait, no, I should do it here. Okay, gonna want to sign in the font awesome. Check out my kits. Wait, what was that? Bundle backer. Perpetual license. Love it. Billing and subscription. Subscription. Renews. Last build on 2024. Renews in 2026. But, oh, I guess for backing, I got an extension of my trial period for bundle backer. Yeah, awesome. Trial ends February 26th. I'm going to cancel the subscription. Good. Yeah. I still want to go back to font awesome. Go to my kits. Int. Icons. They did an update in here. Let's see. First, let's look at. Maybe. Oh, then here's a yelling chatbot. So. Wonder if this one with like a robot. Ah. And I want to say I'm going to want to do that in duotone. That's not available. I want regular duotone. Let's do that. Manage subsetting. Add regular duotone. Save change. It's okay. We can come over here and do that. Yeah, that's what I wanted. Cat. Okay, so I got that one. I think that's the only one I want. And over here in classic is where I want chat or comment. I'm gonna save those. And then it needs to update the package. The package is updated. Now I should be able to come over here. npm run updates. Update. We'll update icons and mint. So we just run update. Okay. We'll serve it again. I wonder if I need to rebuild. I wasn't paying attention. We'll make this FAD. What was that? You got a name? Message bot. You know what? I should wait first. Can I do FADR? Is it FADFAR? FA duotone regular? AR. Try it again. FA message bot. Okay, well. Clearly showing that I don't understand how to use bot awesome. FA duotone, FA regular. Okay, so that. Huh. That's not doing it either. We're gonna try it. Do npm run update icons specifically. Serve it again. I get the name wrong. Ooh, actually, he looks better in Duo tonight. Wait, there's 3 tones in there. Yeah, same with this one. Come on, guy. Let me copy what I want to copy. There's something wrong with the kit. Oh, nope. My dumbass again. Let's go to the index CSS. Come up here. Forgot to import it. Duotone. Save that. Duotone dash regular. Yeah. That'll do it. What's going on? Um, hmm. I guess I need to start it myself. this is gonna need position relative. And the children get position absolute. Left 50%, top 50%. Transform translates negative 50%, negative 50%. Oh, it looks like I'm doing that to all icons. That's pretty fun. And then we'll just make the after blue or something. Now that works. That's weird it wouldn't have styles to deal with that already. So actually, instead of blue bar, dash mint accents. Yeah. Hover that, come back down here. Color gets accent, but now this one, whoops. Make a brand. Yeah, that doesn't work as well. Get rid of the hover. I'm gonna figure something out with that. Reload it for a second. And okay, my code isn't prepared for this. Do I really need it to be duotone? I think the answer to that is just no. Yep. I don't even want the duotone. Robot astromech instead of R2D2. Wild. I'm gonna save that. I'll probably get rid of the duotone, to be honest. But I might not. I'm just gonna keep it there for now. Go to chat partial. It's gonna be FA message bot. Come over here. npm run Build lives. I'm getting real tired of scammers offering me jobs. That's not very funny. Wait. That's what I wanted all along. Toggle chat. Now we can just come over to the chat partial. Give it a click this dot toggle chat. So I'll find this. And chat partial. We're gonna do toggle chat. No. It's gonna be is open. Is a signal. We're gonna do that. Save that. Come over here. I hope this is how I do this. Yeah. Hmm. Hope that does it. That might not be how I have the button set up, so that'll be sad to figure out if it's wrong. The chat guy and CDK described by. Not sure what that's about. Oh, it's for the tooltip. Okay, let's see. Let's pull up this. Let's check out the buttons widget. Template. This item dot attribute dot aria expanded. Oh, I see. That's what I want. Reserve it. Gonna be time for me to quit and make food soon. Not seeing it. Oh, here it is. Aria expanded equals false. Now it's true. Now it's false. Now it's true. And that's fun, because now we can come to our SAS. We got this partial. We got this class chatbot. And it's got display none. So what it really should say is position add fixed. Top 0. Shit. I've done this so many times. Top is 0. Left is left is 100%. Width is 100%. Height is 100%. Max width is sure 550 for now. Transition all, hell no. Transform. We're also gonna do a transform up here. Transform. Translate X. Well, I guess with left being 100%. We don't need a transform here. I'm gonna make it 0. Because I think that's better than having it go from unset to something else. Partial class, chatbot position fixed, top 0, left, a transform, transition transform. Ease in, out. We're gonna get rid of that. We don't want that. What do we want? So now we're gonna do the button. And it's gonna be shit. Not what I thought I was gonna be doing. Um, hmm. And let's open. Get those out of there. And then class chatbot. This is gonna get transform, translate x minus 100%. Now you might say, Sam, why are you doing this in such a convoluted way? It's a good question. That is because if we say instead made this left 0 and transformed 100% in the beginning, then it's going to transition. So you're going to see the sidebar transition out whenever you load the website. We don't want that. We want the left to be all the way to the right. So it's starting there. It doesn't need to transition anywhere. And then we'll transform it back. And that's why we do that. Now I should be able to... No. I know what I did. We gotta go back to the chat partial. And this gets class.open. This is open. Save that, come over here, reserve. Look at tomato waiting out patiently. We should have a tomato party. What's up, bud? How you doing? What? He's being so patient. Aw, look at it. What a cutie. You're gonna get all the treats. You're gonna get all the treats. Right after I show the gang how this works. So now, because I don't suck, I can click on this to open it up. I'm sure it's gonna cover this, so I won't be able to close it. Okay, it didn't work. Ah, I just did open. It's mint open. That's gonna take another. Sorry, Toma, I forgot to add the prefix. That's my bad. That was my bad. I'm sorry. Boom, 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 boom. Hey, So now it's open, but I can't close it because, let's see if I can just put a Z index. Why can't I do Z index? Position static? What? Position relative. There we go. Okay, so now that I put the toggle on top of the chat, I can toggle it open and closed. So that's nice. Oh, no, that's not why. If I was setting this with the left and right and I resized like this, it'd be freaking out, like trying to translate the animation every time. But now that I have it like this, it does not. Very okay with it. So now I should be able to. Can I try a chat, please? Wow, look at that. And then I close it, and I open it, and I close it, and I go on the website, and I do all my things that aren't chat related. And then I come up to my little toggle chat, and I open it, and I have my chat thing back here. Um, um, why can Honey do if I can't elope? I can't tell if my computer's crashing or if it's the website. My backspace isn't. Something's wrong here. What? I just can't type. It's not letting me. I mean, it is, but not when I try like backspace here. Okay. Come on, dude. Why is grass? Why is grass? Yeah, my keyboard's wrecked or something on the page is not working. Let's see, everything here seems fine. I gotta make sure it doesn't overlap with the header, obviously. But we're pretty close on this. We got chat and then we could navigate to /chat. Have ourselves a little conversation here. Is the wind blue? Still on pickleball. And then I can come over here and it's right here. So then, oh no, I can't, I can't close it. So then I can have a conversation here and then navigate away, do other things, and still here. Cool. That's mostly working, so I think that's a good place to stop for now. And then tomorrow I'll tighten everything up. And then we'll work on the store. So thanks for joining. Might play a game later. We'll see how I'm feeling.